Hey friends, Randy Dawn and a marathon coach.
Hey everyone.
We are still in northern Michigan at Hearthside Grove.
Yeah.
Beautiful park. You can still get up here.
Yes. Big party next weekend.
Yes.
So big
Celebrating
celebration.
up at the big clubhouse.
Yeah. Super excited.
And we'd love to see everyone if you can make it.
Yeah.
So you can see behind us, we have Coach 1303, which is absolutely gorgeous.
It is. Yeah. It's a 2020 double slide H. Great colors. You'll see.
Yeah.
28,000 miles. It's actually our first coach sale, believe it or not. So.
And it actually is 26,000 miles.
Oh, 26. I was
It is
wrong.
26.
So it's a little sentimental for us. It's great friends who are we're our first customers, so we're excited to help them sell it. So hope you enjoy it. It's like I said, the colors inside and out. You would never know this coach is pre-owned. You really wouldn't. It looks brand new yet when you walk inside.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
If you're interested, feel free to reach out to Dawn or I or any of the marathon sales reps and ask about Coach 1303. So
let's go take a tour.
Yeah, and keep watching Randy Dawn and a marathon coach.
Just going to take you through a quick look. This is Coach 1303. It is a beauty. Here's the salon area. This is an electric sofa that folds down into a bed. Kind of a nice feature. We don't always see that. And as you can see off to the right there, we'll get to it, but there's the appliance center. Two chairs up front, lovely fireplace. Let's keep going. Here's the appliance center. The steamer oven, coffee, cappuccino, hot chocolate maker, and then of course the wine cooler at the bottom. Beautiful. This is the back in the bedroom with the half bath in the back. So this is a bath and a half. Of course, has the washer dryer, full closet here. I'll get this open for you. Plenty of room for hanging. This is one of my favorite coaches simply because it has all the necessities that you would ever need, including this beautiful shower. And when the glass door opens, it's like a pocket door, so the glass slides behind the wall. It squeegees itself off. I'm just saying, that's a great thing. Here's that mid bath here as well. All right, so let's just walk to the front. Again, this is like a grayish matte finish, not shiny. You can see that here. Floor as well, beautiful inlay. They knocked it out of the park with this one and it won't last long, so please give us a call if you're interested or if you have any questions on it. Just get to the cockpit area here as well. Beautiful from top to bottom and from front to back. You can see how beautiful northern Michigan is as a backdrop of this beautiful, beautiful 2020 double slide H3.